Welcome to Best Choice. The best 4Runner key fob is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for your beloved Toyota 4Runner, acting as your primary interface for security, convenience, and starting your adventure. Whether you're looking for a replacement for a lost or damaged fob, an upgrade with enhanced features, or simply a more durable and stylish option, navigating the market can be a daunting task. But fear not, as we're here to guide you through the best choices available to ensure your 4Runner remains secure and accessible. Number 5. Dubs Hardware Key Fob Case for Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, 4Runner. Introducing the heavy-duty key fob case, designed to protect your Toyota key. It offers superior defense against everyday wear and tear. Specifically engineered for your Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, and 4Runner models from 2016 to 2023. This rugged protector ensures a secure fit for your key. Crafted from high-strength materials, it provides shockproof and scratch-resistant protection. Keep your key looking new, no matter the adventure. Installation is a breeze. With the included tools and a simple video guide, you can upgrade your key fob in just 5 minutes. This key fob case is proudly designed and manufactured in the USA by Dubs Hardware. Experience American quality and craftsmanship. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your existing key fob with this durable and stylish hard shell case for enhanced protection and a premium feel. What we like. This is for those who demand ultimate durability for their key fob. If you frequently expose your vehicle to harsh environments or rough handling, this offers unparalleled protection against drops and scratches. Its robust construction ensures your key fob stays safe and functional, no matter the adventure. What people say. The key fob is a perfect fit for my 2008 4Runner and works just like the original. Easy to program and the buttons feel solid and responsive. The remote start feature is a great addition and works flawlessly. Number 4. Key Fob Keyless Entry Remote Set of 2. This set offers a perfect replacement for your original key fob. It's designed to fit specific Toyota models, ensuring compatibility. Each remote comes as a complete electronic assembly, including a battery. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use and simple operation. These key fobs are specifically designed to fit the Toyota 4Runner, RAV4, and Yaris. They are a direct replacement for part number HYQ12BBY. Please note that dealer or locksmith programming and cutting are required for these remotes. This ensures they are securely set up for your vehicle. Enjoy the convenience of keyless entry with this reliable set of 2 remotes. They are built for durability and ease of use. What we like. Looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to replace lost or damaged key fobs? This set provides 2 complete keyless entry remotes, ready for programming. If you need a reliable backup or want to replace a faulty remote without the dealership markup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The key fob is a perfect fit for my 2010 4Runner and works flawlessly. Easy to program and the buttons feel just like the original key fob. Number 3. HelloAuto Key Fob Cover for Toyota Sequoia and 4Runner. Ensure a perfect fit for your Toyota Sequoia and 4Runner. This replacement shell is compatible with specific FCC IDs and features a 3+1 button design. This is an empty shell only, designed to replace your existing key's outer case and rubber pad. Please verify your original key's shape before purchasing. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and a soft silicone pad, it offers durability and resistance to scratches, drops, and dust, keeping your remote key protected. Installation is a breeze, requiring no programming. Simply transfer your existing electronics and chip to the new shell for a quick and cost-effective solution. We offer 6+1 months of support for your key shell. If you encounter any issues, our team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. If your original key fob's outer shell is worn or damaged but the electronics inside are still working perfectly, this is your ideal solution. It allows you to refresh the look and feel of your key without needing to reprogram anything. For those who value a clean aesthetic and a simple, money-saving fix, this empty shell is the way to go. What people say. The key fob works perfectly with my 2006 4Runner, allowing me to lock and unlock the doors without any issues. Programming the key fob was straightforward following the included instructions, and it synced up with my vehicle in minutes. The design of the key fob is ergonomic and fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to press the buttons. Number 2. Keyless 2-Go Replacement Key Fob for select Toyota models. Never worry about losing your car keys again. This replacement key fob is designed for select Toyota models, offering a convenient solution for your needs. Each replacement key comes with batteries included and has been thoroughly pre-tested. You can be confident in its quality and functionality right out of the box. This remote is a direct replacement for part numbers HYQ12BBY, HYQ12BDC, and 89,070 to 35,170. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with compatible vehicles. Ensure a perfect match for your vehicle by using the fitment tool. This keyless entry remote is compatible with select Toyota models, guaranteeing a proper fit. To ensure optimal performance, this remote key fob replacement must be cut and programmed by a qualified locksmith or dealership. We offer tech support to assist you. Lost or broken your car key? Replace it quickly and easily with this reliable remote key fob. Get back on the road without hassle. What we like. This option is perfect for owners who need a fully functional replacement key fob that includes the necessary transponder chip. If you've lost your key or need a spare with all the internal components, this pre-tested unit ensures compatibility and performance. It's a straightforward solution for getting back on the road quickly. What people say. The key fob is a perfect fit for my 2008 4Runner. It was easy to program and works just like the original. The buttons are responsive and the range is excellent. Number 1. Toyota Key Fob Battery CR2032, 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of CR2032 batteries, designed as a direct replacement for your Toyota key fob. They are compatible with various Toyota models, ensuring your remote works perfectly. These batteries are identical to the original ones that came with your key fob. They are sourced from the same manufacturer, guaranteeing a perfect fit and reliable performance. Before you buy, please check the compatibility using the images provided. Make sure the CR2032 battery fits your specific key fob's battery slot. Replacing your key fob battery is quick and easy with these correct CR2032 batteries. They are designed for a hassle-free installation. We provide an easy-to-follow video guide with step-by-step instructions. This will help you replace your key fob battery without any trouble. What we like. When your key fob starts acting sluggish or stops working altogether, a dead battery is often the culprit. This pack provides the exact CR2032 batteries your Toyota key fob needs, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable power. If you're looking for a simple, DIY solution to revive your remote, these batteries and the included guide make it effortless. What people say. The key fob is a perfect fit for my 2008 4Runner and works just like the original. Easy to program and the buttons feel solid and responsive. It looks identical to the factory key fob and functions flawlessly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.